so many planes that you get to shoot down. It's not funny.
You got like what, tier 9 aircraft?
Yeah, exactly. And every time I do it, almost I end up with a clear skies. It doesn't always work out. Sometimes people sink it or some stupid shit. But
yeah,
man, the Hiryu carries so many planes. Man, who let the base model Omaha in here? That guy can last 5 minutes. Alright, where are we going? D?
I don't know. I like putting Dave in.
Yeah, let's just see what happens.
That channel.
Yeah, go right up the channel.
In the range, right up to the line.
That's right. They probably wouldn't. They'd be like, what the fuck?
You know, oh, he's air superior.
That's a trap! That's what you do. You get in the chat.
Yeah, and fighters if you see them.
Enemy force detected.
I'm heading that way.
He'll be so mad if you can strike out all this shit.
Take out 12 aircraft at once.
Right?
He's going for the kamikaze.
I think it'd be so awesome.
Everything.
I think it'd be so awesome if your strike aircraft could like circle around each other with their tail gunners shooting it up with each other. You could like attack the strike aircraft with your strike aircraft.
Oh, here comes his fighters.
Lock them bitches up right over Hookah. He's got badass AA on that thing. I mean, mine's not bad, but his is much better. He's got all those 128mm DP guns.
Alright, get ready. They're coming. Oh, no, he backed off. Smart.
What a pussy.
Play that game. That would have been nice.
Tell him to come back when he's fucking serious. Somebody's raining down that fire shit on me.
Where are the battleships at?
Where did the battleships be, brother?
I don't know, they're hiding. Well,
Fire
he's not even
alarm!
paying attention. I bet you I can strike
He's just keeping us lit up is I think what he's trying to do right now. Yeah, because I've been taking hits because they've got us lit up. There's the Sharn horse.
Ah, damn. Just trying to mess up.
Minakaze. Yeah, I nailed him for like 6. But you got them big ass Rapinator guns though.
Got my fighters that time. He's in this side, I'm on the other side.
He's bitching off.
I'm gonna get you guys.
He's trying to find cover. I'm gonna try and peg a couple of these destroyers. $760 damage. Come on. Might have like blow out his Radio Shack or something.
You might have. Now he can't listen to music. How dare you?
I knew it! Right there goes the Omaha.
They killed my Omaha
I
fan.
fucking called that one, didn't I?
They blew up my Omaha fan.
That freaking jackass in the Farragut's just kind of idling. Oh, Sharn horse is coming back. Alright, hold on. I'm going to blow right through here.
jackass.
You're in my way.
One cruiser down.
This guy's watching like bad. He's like, oh yeah, give it to me, boy.
Yeah, he wants it.
Yeah, I got torps out already too. Oh, come on, really? Why would you shoot HE like that?
Oh, he just kill off my plants instead of fly back.
Hookah, give him the torpedo.
I'm back. I'm gonna engage his planes over top of you guys.
User
Nearby.
left your channel.
Fighter destroyed.
Oh, yeah, put one in him.
Fire alarm.
Knocked
Yeah,
out
it's
the
fine.
turret on him.
Okay, causing damage.
Torpedoes astern.
Oh, yeah.
Recording this shit too,
Torpedoes astern.
to make it better.
Torpedoes astern.
Torpedoes are starting.
Problem solved, sir.
Dude, the fucking torps are going off everywhere. Shit, I'm
We've
not taking
destroyed
them.
an enemy battleship.
You fucker!
You thought I was gonna? Oh
What a twat face.
See if I can light up that DD.
no. Should have hit up the middle on this
No, they got a lot of boots over there. They still got battleships in place. You got a friggin' destroyer too right there. You got a Maccabi. There's a New Mexico in here somewheres. Hiding.
Torpedoes dead ahead.
He almost got me.
Torpedoes to port.
Where the hell did New Mexico go?
We're holed below the waterline. We're flooding quickly.
No, did we sink the New Mexico or is he hiding still?
Sorry.
Torpedoes to
Where?
port. Problem solved, sir.
Bye-bye, destroyer.
The Furtak is
Torpedoes
not
to port.
okay, under there.
Don't default, baby. Get torps on him,
Torpedoes direct front.
You filthy motherfucker.
Fucking dogs.
Got bombers inbound.
Yeah, I see him. I'm gonna take him. I got no choice.
Do some walking.
Trying not to hit the stupid coastline here and run aground. Oh, he is so screwed back there.
Who did you ram my corpse?
Yeah, I'm gonna ram him.
You should totally.
He shoot all of his torps?
Not me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nope, he didn't.
You totally got this.
No, I don't. Fucker. Fucking Japanese these douchebags. Well, whatever. We made them fight for that.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube for Black Fleet.
We got him a hand coming down the island. Oh, brother!
Our victory is in sight!
Yeah, I think we set that up alright for the win. Good job, team.
Oh, damn, we got it. Gonna cause me, but
Our team
That
has
Sharn
taken the
horse was a
lead!
fucking dumbass. Oh, shit. The Ranger's not very fast, is it?
no, he's not. I have a wide spread on my torp, so that's
Gun it, brother!
yeah, it's got a very slow acceleration.
The kamikaze's gonna gun him down for you.
Got him!
Did you really? Was that a close quarters kill with your carrier? I love
No.
it.
I didn't get a medal for it, but that was awesome.
Oh, damn it. I've done that once or twice. It's freaking awesome when you do that. You know what carrier's the best one I've found to do it with is the freaking Ryoho. It's got a lot of secondary guns.
Yeah. I got him with the one torp off the widespread.
That's badass.
Yep. You know that DD's like fuming right now.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Well, he done biffed, son. What can you do about it?